He was once a math prodigy who broke codes for the NSA. But today, Jim Simons presides over the most successful hedge fund on Wall Street. How did a shy, numbers-obsessed kid grow into a pioneering quant trader who mastered the market? In this video, we'll follow Simon's unbelievable journey from his days cracking codes to making billions by cracking the market. You'll discover his unique approach to trading that physicists said would fail, but instead produced the greatest investing success story of our time. Stick around to the end to learn Jim's secrets to market dominance. Jim Simons is a legendary investor who founded Renaissance Technologies, one of the world's most successful quant hedge funds. But his origins are remarkable. Simons started out as a code breaker for the NSA during the Cold War, where he honed his mathematical skills. Later, he became a renowned mathematician and professor. In this video, we'll track how Simons took his mathematical ability and applied it to financial markets, developing complex models and algorithms that allowed him to gain an edge over other investors. Understanding Simon's strategy provides insight into quantitative investing and what propelled his firm to staggering profits year after year. Simon's intellect was apparent from a young age. He grew up in Massachusetts and showed early talent for mathematics, even fixing mistakes in his high school geometry textbook. After graduating at the top of his class at MIT, Simons earned a PhD in mathematics from the University of California, Berkeley, at just 23 years old. His number-crunching skills soon attracted the interest of the National Security Agency, which was expanding code-breaking efforts during the Vietnam War. Simons joined a secretive NSA team tackling complex cipher challenges. They searched for patterns and devised automated ways to decipher enemy communications. Though the work was high pressure, it gave Simon invaluable experience in pattern recognition and quantitative analysis. This laid the foundation for his future breakthroughs in finance. After 8 years at the NSA, Simons returned to academia. He enjoyed a prolific career as a math professor at MIT and Harvard, conducting groundbreaking research on geometric invariance and differential geometry. This cemented his reputation as one of the world's leading mathematicians. All the while, Simons wondered if his skills could conquer the stock market. He decided to give trading a shot. With his knowledge of statistics and data, Simons believed he could build mathematical models to predict market moves. This was long before algorithmic quant trading was in vogue. In 1978, Simons founded an early quant fund called Monometrics. It had moderate success but was a testing ground for Simons' quantitative approach. Soon, however, Simons made a breakthrough. Along with mathematician James Axe, Simons discovered a method to analyze data and discover hidden patterns invisible to the naked eye. This became the core trading strategy for his next venture. In 1982, Simons started Renaissance Technologies and launched his legendary Medallion fund. It used complex mathematical models, analyzing vast amounts of data to price assets and predict market moves. Early results were stellar, with returns averaging 39% per year in the 80s. But the real gains came as Simons expanded his data sets and modeling techniques. Wall Street initially dismissed Simons' tactics as a flash in the pan. But year after year, Medallion kept delivering outsized returns even during major crashes and recessions. Simons pioneered new strategies like pattern recognition, speech recognition, and statistical arbitrage. His secretive models and trading signals baffled competitors. As quantitative investing gained speed, Renaissance Technologies led the charge. Simons recruited mathematicians, physicists, and code breakers to perfect Medallion's algorithms. They tackled intricate challenges like predicting short-term volatility and discovering co-movements between stocks. Medallion gained a massive edge over human traders. Soon, Medallion was putting up numbers that seemed impossible, returning over 35% annually for decades with extremely low volatility compared to the overall market. The fund almost never had down years. From 1994 to 2014, it averaged a stunning 71% return each year. Even during the 2008 financial crisis, Medallion made money. Renaissance Technologies shot past every other hedge fund to become the most profitable in the world. It used rapid algorithmic trading to exploit tiny market inefficiencies across thousands of securities simultaneously. Medallion made over $100 billion in trading profits for Simmons and his associates. At one point, Medallion was only open to employees, as its methods were too complex for outside investors. The mystique surrounding Simmons' quantitative revolution only grew. He brought physics-style analysis to finance, using real-world data rather than academic models. Simmons soon became one of the richest men in the world, with an estimated net worth of $23 billion. Few on Wall Street have replicated his success with Quant, as Medallion's returns remain in a league of their own decades later. Even in his 80s, Simmons remains driven and focused on innovation. He advocates for scientific research and education through the Simmons Foundation. And while Renaissance Technologies has lowered its profile, Medallion continues to churn out profits under new leadership. For decades, quantitative trading was shrouded in secrecy. But Jim Simmons gave the public a glimpse into this complex strategy. Financial experts are unlocking more of Simmons' methods through his interviews and writings. We now have insight into how Renaissance Technologies achieved market dominance through pattern recognition, data analysis, and machine learning. Simmons' work has inspired new generations of mathematicians and programmers to innovate in quantitative finance. Firms worldwide now actively recruit from physics, computer science, and statistics to build trading algorithms. Other hedge funds use quantitative strategies pioneered by Simmons, like high-frequency trading. Jim Simmons' extraordinary journey shows how a rigorous analytical approach can unlock value in unexpected places. His code-breaking skills cultivated an obsession with pattern recognition that he later applied to financial markets with incredible success. Simmons combined his mathematical abilities with huge data sets and computing power to demolish competitors. His firm, Medallion, accomplished what many believed impossible, finding predictable signals and anomalies in vast markets. Simmons' methods seemed alien to old-school traders and flew against conventional wisdom. Yet he never wavered in his belief that hidden patterns could lead to outperformance if analyzed systematically. Simmons exemplifies how embracing unorthodox ideas can disrupt an entire industry. His quant revolution transformed investing and propelled both his career and hedge funds into new frontiers. So there you have it. The incredible rise of Jim Simmons from math genius to codebreaker extraordinaire to pioneering quant trader. His example encourages us to think outside the box and reject conventional methods. I hope you found some inspiration in this look at a true maverick. Let me know in the comments who else you'd be interested in seeing a video on. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this.